era of next-generation communications, beam control emerges as a pivotal technology, yet its high costs have hindered widespread adoption. Swart is committed to advancing high-frequency array design, leveraging unique lens technology to overcome these challenges. Array antennas, integrated with geometric optical structures, significantly enhance phased antenna performance while reducing costs by up to 40%. Holding multiple patents for array and lens antennas, Swart's products span from commercial to aerospace applications, positioning the company as a leader in next-generation communications. Applications encompass ground communications, 5G FR2 private networks, high-speed FWA, AIoT, satellite communications, from space payloads to ground receiving stations, long-distance communications, large drones, extended Wi-Fi, island connectivity, and military applications, naval radar, airborne X-band radar, SX-band jamming detection radar. With mature advanced RF design technology and robust implementation capabilities, Swart ensures comprehensive capacity from design to system integration. As the era of next-generation communications dawns, Swart stands as an indispensable RF module partner,